Hi, it's Paul. So we're getting close to the end of the semester and there's just a couple things left to do. One is you have to do a draft report and then you have to do a term paper. And so people typically, when they see they have to do a term paper, they think, oh my God, how big does it have to be? Well, it probably needs to be like 8 or 10 or 12 pages. So then when I say that, people think, oh my God, 10 or 12 pages, that's huge. But let's take a look at what goes in it and what's the difference between a draft report and the final report. We'll go to modules here. And if I scroll down to, I think it's lesson 15. In lesson 15, I've got a draft report. And that guy, I can find it again. Here's my draft report. All the draft report is I want to have a look at your final report before you finish it all up. So if there's things that I don't like about it or things you could improve or should improve, I want to be able to have a look and get that information back to you so you can fix it up and do a really good job with the final report. So if you click on draft report, you notice it's worth 50 points. And here it says it's the same thing as your final report. It's just giving me an early look at it. And basically you get full points just for submitting. I'm not judging the content or anything about it, but if you submit it, let me have a look, you get full points. So that's almost like a freebie. Okay, let's look at what goes in the final report. And that's under lesson 16. Down here it says final report. And it's taking my computer a minute to update. Okay, final report, that's due December 6th, so a week after the draft report. And if I click on it, here's the requirements. So notice here it says the objective is to consolidate all the individual assignments into a report. You guys did a lot of work during the semester doing project plan and cost plan, responsibility assignment matrix. You did a lot of different components all of the same project, and the idea with the report is you're going to compile it all together as one document. So most of this report is already done because you've done all the assignments. Now down at the bottom here it says write an introduction, about half a page, to discuss the intent of your project. Well, you already pretty much have that because you did the project evaluation and recommendation. I forget exactly what it was called. But you already have that section done as one of your assignments. You have all the sections of the report done, such as your cost plan, your responsibility assignments. Then you have to, step 3 here says write a conclusion. So anytime you tell a story, you have to have a start, a middle, and an end. So the start is your introduction, the body or the middle is all your assignments put together, all looking nice and professional, and then you have to conclude it. You need a title page, table of contents, and most important, this has to look professional. This is something that you might take with you to a job interview to show your future employer the type of work that you do. So it's got to look really good. Okay, so again, most of the work, you've already done it. This is just a matter of putting it all together in one final polished up document. Okay, have fun with it. Talk to you later.